Why are you taking it away from me? Why? Why you throw it away? Excuse me. Why? Yes, I am Muslim.
Go for another.
If I drink, I'll be here. Huh? What?
What are you doing? Excuse me.
تعال يا حبيبي انت ليش كسرتها؟ ليش كسرت
يا اخي اتق الله يا معلم حرام.
شو؟ What you doing? Excuse me, is he with you? Excuse me. السلام عليكم حبايبي كيفكم شو اخباركم؟
تمام شرف معكم كريستيانو يوسف كباني.
يوسف كباني مو كباني لسه بتقلي كباني.
شو كباني مو كباني.
اوكي كريستيانو شو الفيديو اليوم؟ حبايبي اليوم الفيديو تجربه اجتماعيه مثل ما شايفين شو معنا اناني بيره واناني الكحول استغفر الله العظيم نحن مسلمين ومستحيل انه نشرب هذا الشيء بس الفيديو تجربه اجتماعيه كريستيانو رح تروح عند العالم المسلم نحن حاليا ببريطانيا بوسط شوارع العرب بوسط شوارع المسلمين رح تروح كريستيانو لعند المسلمين توقفهم بتقول له اذا بتشرب هي انيه الكحول طبعا هو المقلب رح يكون عصير تفاح شايفين انت التفاح هلا رح تعبيه قدام منكم رح تروح تقول له اذا بتشرب الكحول رح تربح معي ايفون 12 برو ماكس طبعا هون الكيس حبايبي شايفين لسه معي 3 اجهزه هون تمام بالعدد هلا كريستيانو رح تعبي قدام منكم انيه الكحول هي بيره او ويسكي استغفر الله العظيم تمام مجرد تجربه اجتماعيه لا حدا يفهمني غلط نشوف رده فعل المسلمين شو بتساوي انه مقابل ايفون بيشربوا الكحول تخيل حبايبي طبعا اذا انت جيت بكره اول مره عم تشوفنا فلا تنسى انك تضغط لايك وتشترك بالقناه خلينا نوصل 2 مليون باقرب وقت ربي يسعدك حبايبي لا تنسوا تتابعونا على الانستغرام ولا تنسوا تتابعوا نواح شكر خاص للمصور هو نواح سووا بالدسكربشن ربي يسعدك حبايبي هلا حنعبي اناني رده فعل العالم يلا بسم الله عبيها كميه كريستيانو شايفين حبايبي هي علبه ثانيه هي علبه ثانيه شباب بدنا نعبيهم كلهم عشان كريستيانو تروح على العالم تقول له اذا بتشرب الكحول تربح معنا ايفون يلا برافو هي خلصت هي تعبت هلا حنسكرها تمام وهلا حنعبي بقايا تابعوا حبايبي الفيديو يلا
Excuse me, sir. You okay? Are you Arabic?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Tunisia.
You Muslim?
Yes.
Okay, I got a camera right there. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
Okay.
Okay. I've got a challenge for you. Basically, as you said, you're Muslim. You got to win an iPhone 12 Pro Max if you drink from this beer. I will show you the phone. Yeah? You got to win it if you drink from this beer.
No way. Come on.
Why?
No, we're not allowed.
How about, would you do it if I stop the camera, if I'm not gonna record you?
No, no way. No.
You sure?
100%.
Wait, maybe like you can change your mind. It's not, you don't have to drink it all, you just like a little bit.
No, come on.
No, stay. Excuse me. Come here. Are you Arabic?
Of course I'm Arabic yes what's up why the camera is there hello
You Muslim?
السلام عليكم
اخوي سوري.
سوري حبيبي من وين انت تونسي؟
تونسي.
حبيبي ربي يسعدك كيفك؟ what's
Okay, would you mind to be on YouTube? I've got a camera right there.
No, it's alright. It's alright. No problem.
Okay, basically I've got a challenge for you.
Ooh, iPhones, yeah.
Yeah, you got to win this iPhone 12 Pro Max in front of the camera if you drink a little bit of alcohol.
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yeah.
واو مان.
هذا مجنون. بدنا نحن نشرب.
تشرب انت مشروب؟ والله. استغفر الله اي والله بس ايفون يا زلمه.
والله يعطيني فلوس.
والله اذا اعطيتك فلوس الدنيا ما بتشرب.
خمن فيه الموضوع.
لا بس
Can you speak in English?
if I drink this beer show me can I see it? I win this iPhone.
Yes.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Seriously, just because I drink a little bit I win this iPhone.
Yes, you can just take a sip, but I need to see it.
Are you kidding, man? I don't kidding.
No, I'm not kidding.
You're gonna drink it.
For an iPhone I would do anything, bro. Take this. Maybe I'll drink it. But just a little bit because I'm driving, you know.
Come on, man. You're joking.
لا حبيبي do it. Yes, I will do it. بشو لك على
ايزي هذا مخلبيس ايش بيك؟ اعتقد لنا نحن
حبيبي شو لك
انت
على
اصلا تمس احلى.
حبيبي شو لك على تليفونك عم يرن رد على تليفونك انت انا راوي حبيبي شو بدك؟
نحن
ايه ده؟
نحن صح.
Move يا اخي. Is he with you?
No,
Exactly.
I don't know who he is.
Who are you man? Answer your phone because do your business man. Leave me alone. If I drink I'll
Yes,
be
you
here.
win this iPhone 12 Pro Max.
What?
What are you doing? Excuse me.
بس بير ماي.
تعال يا حبيبي انت ليش كسرتها؟ ليش كسرت الدنيا؟
يا اخي اتق الله يا معلم حرام.
شو انت؟
يا اخي اتق الله يا معلم حرام.
شو اتق الله؟ Why did you break it? Why? ليش كسرتها؟ انا مشان ايفون بساوي كل شيء.
عيب عليك. ايش تحكي؟
He broke it now. What I'm gonna do now? What I'm gonna do now? I want to win this
Take your
iPhone.
iPhone please and go.
Why
He's not
did you
gonna
do
drink.
this?
He's not gonna drink. Unless
Why?
you drink from there.
هيك انت ليش سويت حبيبي؟ شو لك على خزيها غلط
اتق الله استغفر الله شو بينا على الايفون.
بيشرب بيشرب يلا حبيبي تعال يلا روح يلا خلاص يلا روح wait just a second I am with her انا معها this is just YouTube video and it's a prank انت على اليوتيوب انا اسمي يوسف كباني معروف بفيديوهاتي يا جماعه اقسم بالله او ماي جاد شاب التونسي شفت شو سوى يا جماعه كسر انينة الكحول this is not alcohol تعال لا هي مو بيره هي مجرد عصير تفاح
ليش ميت؟
لا مجرد عصير تفاح الانينه هي انينه كبيره بس فاضي انا معبيها عصير تفاح اقسم بالله انا معها she's with me I'm just YouTube video because you did this man can you see this iPhone 12 Pro Max يا جماعه نحن ببريطانيا ما تخلينا عن تقاليدنا وين ما بنروح المسلمين الله اكبر
الحمد لله
والله انت كفو يا جماعه في عالم بيقول لك اوكي يلا بشرب بربح ايفون والله كفو congratulations iPhone 12 Pro Max. iPhone 12 Pro Max هدية لك. مبروك عليك. مبروك عليك.
والله خلوا شيء ثاني.
حبيبي ربي بتمنى هذا الفيديو يكون على اليوتيوب. حبيبي ربي يسعدك. يلا شكرا يا جماعه اقسم بالله. ثانك يو باي يا جماعه والله العظيم. اوه ماي جاد كريستيانو شفتي ردة فعله.
Hi, excuse me, sir. Where are you from?
I come from Iran.
Are you Muslim?
Yes.
Okay, I've got a camera right there. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, I've got a challenge for you. Basically, the challenge is I've got here a bottle of beer,
Yeah.
alcohol, in
Yeah.
front of the camera, yeah. And you got to win an iPhone 12 Pro Max
Yeah.
in front of the camera if you just drink a little bit from the bottle.
Oh, how can I drink from camera? I can't do this. I'm Muslim.
Why not?
Because I'm Muslim. I can't do this.
Would you not just not do it in front of the camera, or would you do it like without the camera?
No. I never drink.
You sure?
Yes.
100%. How about if I open it for you?
Yeah.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, I opened it.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna hit for you.
Yeah, I don't want to just take it of you. Yeah.
No, I can't give it to you. No.
Why not?
Because if you said you don't want to drink, maybe I find someone else who would.
No. Give it to me.
I don't want to give it to you.
Why not?
Maybe I find someone else.
No.
Wait, let me
You
try.
don't give me. I
Oh,
don't
excuse
like
me. He looks Muslim. Let's see if someone else would do it.
it. Yeah.
How are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Syria. Why the camera is there?
I'm recording a YouTube video. Okay, you Muslim?
Of course I am Muslim. Yes.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. You Muslim?
Okay.
What's up?
I've got a challenge for you. I got here a bottle of beer or something, alcohol.
Beer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I've got an iPhone 12 Pro Max gold. And there is a camera. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, it's alright. I don't mind.
Okay. Basically, if you drink alcohol, you will win this iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Whoa, can I see the iPhone?
No, you cannot see it yet. If you drink, you will. Or actually, you can see it from my hand. Oh, oops. Be careful. Yeah, you can look at it.
Whoa, gold. Oh my god. Did you drink alcohol?
No.
For an iPhone?
He didn't want to do it.
You didn't?
Never.
Why not?
Because I'm Muslim.
Because you're Muslim.
Yes.
I am Muslim too, but I will drink alcohol.
No, man. If you're Muslim, how you drink this? Your mom and your dad knows you drink alcohol.
I don't care, man. This is free country. I'm in England. I want to drink alcohol. Can I have
Man,
it?
you're a stupid man.
Why you calling me
drink-
stupid?
Because you're Muslim. Why you drink alcohol?
Man, for an iPhone, I would do anything.
Nah,
I would do anything for an iPhone. Man.
Stupid.
I would do anything. Man. What are you talking about? Can I have it? I'll drink. This is alcohol, yeah?
Nah, man. You can't drink alcohol.
If I drink it, I win this iPhone.
Yeah.
If I drink,
Muslim, yeah, you should not drink alcohol. Give
Why?
me,
Excuse me,
pass
man,
me,
what you
man.
doing?
Pass me, man.
why you taking it away from me? Why? Why you throw it away? Excuse me. Why? Yes, I am Muslim.
Go from the
Why did you put the meat in the Why did you put it in the
Because you not.
Yes, I am Muslim. Why did you put that in the Why did you put it in the
You should not drink that. It's front of me. Because you're Muslim.
Yes, I am Muslim, but alcohol is no problem. Man.
Yeah, it's problem. Because you're Muslim. Your dad and your mom is not with you. And then you say I'm Muslim. But you're not Muslim.
Now you split the alcohol. How I want the iPhone? What I'm gonna do now?
I don't know, but
So you tell her.
He-
No. Go somewhere else.
Allah, your reaction, man. Come here. I am with her. This is just a YouTube video. It's a prank. You know, I am with her, and my name is Yousuf Kabani. This is my YouTube channel. I have 1.8 million subscribers on my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Wallah, you are real Muslim. MashaAllah. Ya Jama'a. Guys, this is not real alcohol. This is just like apple juice. You are very good Muslim. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Ya Jama'a. Oh my God. كبة بالحاوية. كبة بزبالة. علبة أنيك الكحول كبة بزبالة. ردة فعله بريطانيا يا جماعة ما تخلينا عن تقاليدنا. الحمد لله رب العالمين. Brother, because you did this, yeah. Because you did this, yeah.
Yes.
You deserve an iPhone. An iPhone 12 Pro Max in front of the camera gift for you because you did this reaction.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
brother. Do you mind this video to be on YouTube?
If you don't mind, give me your number. and
Okay,
then,
okay, brother. No problem. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, حبايبي. It's fine. Yeah. Take care, brother. Yeah. Thank you very much. الله خلينا نشوف ردة فعل العالم يا جماعة. والله العظيم أقسم بالله. يلا بسم الله. يا جماعة كبة أقسم بالله كبة. Oh my God. هلا خلينا نشوف ردة فعل المسلمين ببريطانيا. يلا كل سنة هيك. روحي جيبي أنينة بيرة. استغفر الله العظيم.
excuse me. Hi, you Muslim?
Yes.
Where are you from? Egypt. Oh, you're Egyptian. Okay. I got a camera right there. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, that's fine.
It's fine, yeah? Okay, I got a challenge for you. As you said, you're Muslim. It's like a Muslim challenge. Yeah. Basically, I've got here a bottle of wine. Yeah. Could you hold it for me, please? So I show you what you would win if you do it. Okay, you would win an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Well, what do I have to do for the iPhone?
You have to drink a little bit of wine.
No. That's wrong. I'm Muslim. I don't drink.
How about if I turn off the camera?
No. Us Muslims, we don't drink.
You sure?
Against the religion. No.
But if I would turn off the camera and I just sip a little bit of wine.
No.
You sure?
Yes.
But let's think about it. It's like £1,000 this iPhone.
I understand it's iPhone, but it's alcohol.
Excuse me? Hi, you Muslim?
Yes, of course I am Muslim. You don't see my clothes. I am Muslim, yes. Why you recording them? Why are the cameras there?
Okay, basically I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, I don't care. It's alright.
Okay,
No
as you don't mind, I've got a challenge for you. Basically,
Yeah.
here is a bottle of wine.
Wine.
Yes. Yes, you know what wine is?
Of course, it's alcohol. You Muslim?
Yes.
Salam alaikum, brother.
Walaikum
Hi,
salam.
كيفك؟ Alhamdulillah. You Arabic?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good. Do you speak Arabic?
A bit.
Okay. Yeah, I'm from
Right.
Syria.
Okay. Can you listen to my challenge now? Basically,
Yeah.
the challenge is if you drink a little bit of wine in front of the camera, you would win an iPhone 12 Pro Max, brand new.
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yes!
Whoa! If I just drink a little bit.
Yes, just a little bit.
Whoa, my lucky day, man.
No, don't. You say you're Muslim, don't drink.
I am Muslim, but most of people drink, man, so what's no
Still.
problem, man.
Why do you care what other people do?
I don't
You
care.
say you're Muslim, you are true Muslim, you won't drink.
Man, for an iPhone, would you believe this? iPhone,
Yes,
I need to
it's
work.
an iPhone.
I need to work the whole life to get an iPhone 12
Okay,
Pro
work
Max.
your whole life then.
I don't want my easy. She gonna
Yes,
seriously.
yes, I will give it to you. I promise you. I swear.
Oh man, can I have it?
Yes.
If I drink this now, like it's
Yeah.
okay. Ooh. What do you tell me?
I tell you,
Yes, I will do
you
it.
drink. You say you're Muslim, you won't
Yes,
drink.
I will do it. Yes, alcohol.
No, you
Oh.
won't.
But this doesn't gonna affect me like too much. Just a little bit. Yeah?
Just a little bit, but you have to show me that you drink it. Like you have to show.
Okay. Bismillah.
What are you doing, brother?
What are you pushing? What?
What's happening? Excuse me.
Leave it. Leave it. What? What you doing? Excuse me. Is he with you? Excuse me. What?
What's happening?
What you doing? Excuse me. Is he with you? Excuse me. What? Why do you do this?
Say you're Muslim, why you drink?
Yes, I am Muslim. Why do you do this? Why do you do this? Is he with you?
Well, why are you doing that?
Why is he with you? What? Why is he doing
I don't know him. What are we gonna do now?
Who are you to do this, man? Who are you?
Who are you to drink?
Yes, you're not.
You're a fake Muslim.
It doesn't matter.
You're fake, don't get in my face, you're a fake Muslim, look.
Oh yeah, excuse me. Calm down.
Calm down. Calm down.
Why?
It's just a YouTube video. I am with him. This is just social experiment. And my name is Yousuf Kabani. This is just my YouTube channel. Yeah. Wallahi, ya Jama'a, look what you've done. And this is not alcohol. This is just apple juice. You to see people reacting. Ya Jama'a, oh my God. Wallahi, let me just get it. Let me just get it. Brother, you want to drink? Drink. it's just apple juice. يا اقسم بالله شوف ايش سوي فيه انا لو make me وجه انضم انت جلابيه لما شو بدي اسوي والله العظيم you're real Muslim brother because you did this reaction yeah you have a gift for me from me to you yeah because you did this reaction can you see this iPhone 12 Pro Max you don't need to drink alcohol you don't need to do anything but because you defend a Muslim of doing haram things this is gift for you from me in front of the camera from my YouTube channel Yousuf Kabani this is for you
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
do you mind this video to be on YouTube
Yeah, that's fine.
it's fine yeah alright brother nice to meet you والله العظيم بدي اسوي oh my God يلا let's go والله يلا oh my God يا جماعه ردت والله العظيم شوفوا كلياتي انا هلا بدي بدل اواعي بدي بدل I need to change now that's it
When we do this.
اوكي حضرتك